The fastest way to peel garlic. Simply pull the garlic skin gently and it will come off on its own. Try it quickly. Welcome back to the Clever Tricks channel. Have you ever felt annoyed when peeling garlic, especially when you need a large amount? Using a knife to crush the garlic or peeling each clove by hand is not only time-consuming but also leaves a strong, unpleasant smell on your hands. But don't worry, I'm going to reveal super fast, super easy, and extremely clean garlic peeling hacks. With just a few simple steps, the garlic skin will peel off automatically, helping you save time and effort in surprising ways. Let's explore the fastest and most effective ways to peel garlic right now. Method 1. Soaking in warm water. If you need a lot of garlic, 2 or 3 kilograms, don't use your fingernails to peel bit by bit. It's painful and slow. First, separate the garlic cloves. Where are you from? Leave a comment to let me know. It's so nice to know that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much for your support. Now, put the garlic into a bowl. Add warm water around 50 to 70 degrees Celsius to cover the cloves completely. Let them soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. A group of people sitting around, 2 cutting off the garlic heads with knives, 3 or 4 peeling the cloves. This method is slow and tiring, plus it leaves your hands with a pungent smell and a stinging feeling. But this hack is different. When you see the garlic skin start to wrinkle, you can easily peel it off. You'll notice this when your family needs a lot of garlic. The outer skin can be completely removed with just a gentle pull. You can peel a whole kilogram of garlic in a short time. Warm water softens the surface. It helps the garlic skin expand, become more tender, and easier to peel. At the same time, it reduces the strong odor of garlic. This method is simple and effective. Once you've learned it, share it with your family and friends at home. I only tried it once and was amazed. Perfect for parties. Method 2. Using a plastic bottle cap. If you have a tough garlic bulb to peel, try this method using a plastic bottle cap. It's very simple. Prepare a plastic bottle, take the cap. Use the edge of the cap to press gently into the garlic, then pull the skin off and easily extract the clove. This simple trick helps you peel garlic twice as efficiently with half the effort and without the strong smell on your hands. Convenient and fast. From now on, peeling garlic won't be a difficult task. This technique has become a personal secret and is always praised by others. Garlic aroma always makes dishes more appealing. Now, with this quick peeling method, you can totally do it. Don't worry if you don't have a garlic peeler. You can try this trick. Method 3. Squeezing by hand. This trick is great for small amounts of garlic. Take a garlic clove, press both ends between your index finger and thumb, and squeeze tightly. Use both hands to gently press the skin and it will pop right off. Then, just tear the skin along the gap. It's super easy to peel. Many people like eating raw garlic. Garlic is very nutritious. It supports bone health by increasing bone density and reducing the risk of osteoporosis, as it's rich in manganese and selenium, which help strengthen bones overall. I believe many of you love garlic for both its flavor and health benefits. With changing weather, it's easy to catch a cold, so I usually eat a few cloves a day to boost my immune system. If you need just a little garlic, this method is very convenient. You can peel a whole bulb in a minute without any tools, enough for a meal. It's wonderful. Method 4. Shaking in a container or stainless steel pot. First, cut off the top of the garlic bulb to expose the cloves and also trim the root end. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Then put it into a pot, cover with a lid, and shake vigorously for 15 seconds. When you open the lid, you'll see some cloves have completely separated from the skin. However, the ones that haven't can now be easily peeled by hand. The principle behind this method is simple. When you shake the pot, the garlic hits the pot walls, creating impact that helps the skin come off quickly. This method may slightly bruise the garlic cloves, but if you're mincing them, it doesn't matter. These garlic peeling hacks are great. Share them with your family and friends now. Method 5. Lightly crushing with a knife. Prepare a garlic bulb, place it on a cutting board, and make a shallow cut from the bottom of each clove to expose the flesh. Then, place the cut side down on the board and use the flat side of a knife to firmly press or tap once or twice. Now you can easily separate the cloves because the internal pressure helps them break apart quickly. It's a simple and basic method, but very effective. Have you learned these garlic peeling tips yet? Try them out in real life. You'll be surprised by the results, even with something as tough as garlic. Bonus tips: don't waste garlic skins. Besides their flavor, garlic skins are a treasure trove. Throwing them away is a waste of money. Garlic skin is essentially the mature part of garlic during its development and is rich in protein, carbohydrates, minerals, and has that signature pungent aroma. We can use it smartly, like turning it into organic fertilizer for your garden. First, boil water to about 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. Warm enough, but not too hot to avoid destroying nutrients in the garlic skin. Put the garlic skins into a jar or bottle and pour in the warm water to completely submerge them. Cover tightly and let it soak for 2 to 3 hours. If possible, place the jar in a warm area away from direct sunlight. After soaking, strain the liquid through a sieve or clean cloth to remove the pulp. If the solution is too strong or smelly, you can dilute it with clean water at a 1-to-1 ratio for safety. Pour the solution into a spray bottle and mist it evenly on leaves and stems where pests appear. It's best to spray in the early morning or late afternoon to avoid leaf burn. Spray regularly 2 to 3 times a week or when pests are visible to achieve the best results. You can also bury the garlic skins under plants to enrich the soil and naturally protect them from pests. Or use garlic skin to soak your feet. Yes, it has medicinal value. Just add some garlic skin into hot water for a foot soak. The active compounds in garlic skin help kill certain bacteria on the feet. Especially for those with athlete's foot, adding a bit of garlic skin and salt will enhance the effect. Salt also has disinfecting and antibacterial properties. This combination helps clean your feet better. Plus, soaking feet in hot water promotes circulation, keeps you warm, and improves sleep. It's very beneficial for older adults. Anyone with trouble sleeping should give it a try. Today, I shared several simple and effective garlic peeling methods with you. Which one do you like best? If you know an even better way, leave a comment. Thanks so much for your support. That's the end of the video. If you have any feedback, leave it in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. And be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for your support. Goodbye and see you in the next video.